Words we use that are not Tigrinya versus the actual Tigrinya word. Cycling edition. Bicicleta, bicicleta, seregella shaitan, Arabia shaitan, or Feres shaitan. But where does the reference to the devil come from? The bicycle was first introduced in 1898 when the Italians first set foot in Eritrea. The bicycle was a common medium of transportation for them, so the association with the devil, the colonizer. Eritreans gradually learned how to love and make very good use of this new means of transportation. So they dropped the name Seragela Seitan and adopted Bicicleta. Today, Eritrea produces some of the very best cyclists in the world. Talk about flipping the script.
Culture is cool.
But look at Girmay hit the front. Girmay's flying away. Girmay's going all the way. And nobody can live with Binyan Girmay, who takes his first victory of the 2023 season.